Oh, you're here. I'm about to tell you a story. And this story is all about letters. And it began with this one. Hello friends, and welcome to another collaboration with my YouTube friend Sue from Discovering the Art of Living. Today I am going to create something inspired by the movie Klaus, which, to be honest, I haven't seen last year when it first aired on Netflix, but I've seen it this year several times because now it's my favorite, one of my favorite Christmas movies, top 3. So go on and check out Sue's channel and see what she's doing for this collaboration, because I'm really curious to see what she comes up to. I hope it's a really nice painting with the nice Sami girl, Margot, because my decoration is inspired by the letters, obviously, because they are the most important thing in this movie, and also by the little adorable Sami girl by her name Margot. So let's get to it. I really hope you enjoy this decoration. It's something really simple to make, and if you do, please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up and comment if you would like to collaborate with me, or if you would like to, if you have any ideas for any future videos that you'd like to see from me. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.